Today we're going to be talking about Avogadro's number. First, we're going to be asking, what is it exactly? Well, when you type it into Google, what is Avogadro's number? It's going to tell you it's this number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, which is the number of atoms in 1 mole of a substance. Not that type of mole. Moles in chemistry are actually used as a unit of measurement. Now on to who discovered Avogadro's number. Well, in 1811, a man named Amedeo Avogadro proposed that under the same temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contained the same number of molecules. This became known as Avogadro's law. Then later on, in 1909, a man named Jean Perrine calculated the exact number by performing experiments, which won him the Nobel Prize in Physics. But then how exactly is this number used in chemistry? First, it allows chemists to count particles by acting as a conversion factor to find the number of atoms or molecules in a given amount of a substance. Then it also allows chemists to convert mass to moles by starting with the molar mass of a substance and then using Avogadro's number to convert it into moles. Then you can also do the reverse of that and start with moles and use Avogadro's number to convert it back to molar mass. Lastly, chemists use it in stoichiometry because it standardizes measurements which allows scientists to understand the composition of substances. Then, why is it important? Well, Avogadro's number acts as a bridge between the microscopic world of atoms and the world of grams, which allows scientists to count and measure substances. Additionally, it links mass to particles, allowing you to predict reaction yields, analyze gases, and determine concentrations. It also underlies gas laws by ensuring that equal volumes of gas contain the same number of molecules. Then last, it also makes chemical equations measurable by letting us map particle ratios to measurable lab quantities. So as a recap, this big number, which can also be represented as 6.0 times 10 to the 23rd power, is what's known as Avogadro's number, not avocado. And this number, discovered by 2 scientists, help us understand just how many particles are within each mole of a substance and helps us really conceptualize and visualize that aspect of chemistry.